Alright. Down the stairs to the train. Supposedly they've started putting in the new APM 300 cars. So I'm hoping to either get one of the C100s or the 300 cars. The front side of the train is the other one. There's the out of service train. These are all the old cars still. A couple C100s on there. Apparently this is going to be an escalator directly down from the new checkpoint design up on the upper floor. I'll be waiting for the next car probably because I'm going to go to the front car. Definitely waiting for the next one. So I won't make y'all watch the wait. Okay. So I need to get on the front car. I'll have to wait for this to come back. Hopefully we can get one of the C100 cars and point out the differences on those. There we are. Oh, this is a C100 car set. Oh, this one's a CX100.
Board here for all A, B, and C gates.
Let's see if I can find one of those new 300 cars. Wait.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear of the doors. This train is departing. Please continue to hold on.
So this is, we actually got one of the CX100 cars. They're still running the old ones right now, though. I'm gonna go to C and then back to the A terminal. As usual, see what
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates. Please watch your step.
not many people getting off at A.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates. Please watch your step. The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on. Please keep clear of the doors. This train is departing.
Please keep clear of the doors. You are delaying the departure of this train. Can't see it on screen, but yeah, that's a new
Exit
one.
here for all seagate.
Yeah, that's a 300 car over there.
Please watch your step.
I wish I could ride those.
All passengers, please exit.
I'll get off here. I don't really have to, but got a couple other things to look at. Honestly, I think this train's going out of service. Like, actually going out of service.
This train is going out of service.
One of the Bombardier guys just got on the train.
The doors are closing. The doors are closing. This train is departing.
No boarding at this position. Trains to all stations.
I really want to ride one of the new cars. They have them back there. Oh, that's it.